Hi guys, welcome back to your daily motivational video. It's Wednesday, happy hump day, and this is your Wednesday motivation. Today's message is all about how big your dreams are. And if your dreams don't scare you, then yes, it's true, they're not big enough. The science behind dreams and goals, it's really simple, in all honesty. I think we try to overcomplicate it, but it's really simple. Set yourself a really big goal, and even if you don't quite achieve it, you will still be a lot better off than you would had you set yourself at the base level. Sometimes that's really easy to say. Now, for example, I've set myself a goal of achieving 100,000 subscribers on YouTube this year. I'm currently at 30,000. I have to triple and a little bit more the number of subscribers I have in under 11 months, which seems completely impossible considering it took me about 3 years to get to this point. But let's just put it out there, and let's just say I had set myself a goal of achieving 50,000 subscribers. If I didn't achieve that, I would probably be at about, let's say, 35 or 40,000 by the end of the year, which is... it's not a bad place to be. It's all relative, but at the same time, if I'd set myself the goal of 100, I'd be doing 3 times the amount of work trying to get there. And if I didn't quite get there, I'd be at 80,000. So 80 versus 40. So double the amount of subscribers if I'd set my goal higher, as I have. And I think that speaks to the fact that sometimes we don't see what is possible, or sometimes we don't really force ourselves to think about the level of effort or work that needs to go into achieving something really big. I think if you set your sights really high, your actions have to step up and match that. And I think if we set our goals too small, we ask and we demand less of ourselves. So my message to you today is set your goals high, set your sights high. You know, be ambitious. Don't be afraid to ask for ridiculous things or wish for ridiculous things, because you do not know. We as mere humans, mere mortals, do not know the realm of possibilities available to us. So, you know, think of it as a catalogue. Think of it as your catalogue of just asking for things that you would never normally think, you know, would be available to you, and just write all those things down today. That is the one thing that I ask you to do, because I think when you write things down and you start to think about, oh, what would it take to actually get this? Then you are in the right mindset and on the right path to taking a step towards achieving those things. That's my message for today. Very short and sweet. Set your goals high, make them scary, make them big, make them huge, and then start to take big action towards them. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share this video with your friends and family on your Facebook, Twitter, on Instagram, and do come and follow me on all of those social channels. I'll have them linked down below. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and turn on post notifications so you get a little item pop up on your YouTube app whenever I upload a video, and these ones are daily, so let it be your wake up call in the morning. Otherwise, I will see you in tomorrow's video, which is your Thursday motivation. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.